there's a peace of mind when you're behind the wheel that is unlike anything else.
Getting into the car, you know, health issues or not, is for me very much like therapy.
The world was on fire and no one could save me but you.
It really is the best thing ever. I chase it all the time.
It's strange what desire will make foolish people do.
So it is amazing. That's all I can say. It's an amazing feeling.
I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you.
Nothing replaces it, really. I'm kind of sad that I found that feeling so late in life.
And I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you.
Getting ready to get out there, even after many years of road racing and doing driver's ed events, is there's always some trepidation. There's always some butterflies. The great unknown, and also the challenges of what this particular session will hold. Each one's different. There's no such thing as the exact same thing. You want it to be, but the last session I was out, I went into a turn and all of a sudden the motor cut out and went, oh, I'm out of gas. but that's part of the challenge, and that's part of the excitement.
Right before I go out, there's a lot of anxiety, kind of get like the butterflies in your stomach and whatnot. And then really, you just got to take some time right before you go out to just breathe, you know, before you get out there.
What a wicked game to play, to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say. You never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No,
For me, it's a sense of calm, peace, kind of even state of mind. The rest of the world seems to disappear when I'm behind the wheel. I'm just hyper focused, kind of in the zone of what I'm doing, and it's for me, it's relaxing. "110%, right? Because if not, why would you do it?" But realistically, yeah, I mean, you push and you push and you push, and eventually you get to a point where maybe you're overdriving the mechanics, right? The car just isn't going to give you anything else. But on the same token, you know there's more out there. You're going to keep reaching for it. You're going to keep trying regardless. And maybe this, you know, everything aligns properly, and then you have that golden moment and that perfect lap, and that makes it all the worthwhile. It's almost like golfing, right? You play 17 terrible holes, but that one hole, you got it just right, and that's what keeps you doing it.
I've never been a big lap time person. I need to follow the rabbit. But that having been said, no, I'm interested in lap times. But when I purchased this car, the previous owner had a lap timer, and the first time I drove it, I came out of a turn and I looked at the lap timer and forgot that I was on the track because I was looking at the stupid lap timer. And so, yeah, yes, it's interesting to me, but more than anything else, I'm interested in putting together a clean and fast lap. And the reality is, if you focus on just lap times, I feel you slow down. Focus on the whole thing, and at the end of the day, you go, "Wow, that was fast." That's what I look for.
For me, it's only against myself. I'm trying to beat myself so I don't get the red mist on myself. Nothing replaces that feeling. And what also keeps me going is because I do all the work on my car. So it's like, when it doesn't work, it's because of me. When it does work, it's because of me. You know what I mean? So that's my real drive. It gets me back out there every time. I need to fix me.
First time I was in a race car, my kids bought me the NASCAR experience at Pocono, where I was able to drive 4 laps in a actual NASCAR car. It was exhilarating, but it was terrifying at the same time, because those cars are like very difficult to get in and out of. They're very, very fast, and you're on a NASCAR track that you can drive up to 200 miles an hour. But from that point on, I knew that I was going to be hooked on it, because I was able to drive my own car for 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes was just enough to get me hooked. And from that point on, I've been at the track pretty much several times each month.
The allure and the mystique of driving a race car on a racetrack, what was it, flat out against the red line, as they used to say, is absolutely an addiction. I can feel like I got hit by a bus, which frequently I do, and you get out there in the car, and I come in and I'm completely and utterly re-energized. It is absolutely the most fun thing I've done.
When I do things in my entire life, no matter what I do, I try to be the best at it, and I go full in, whether it's playing music, whether it's working at my jewelry store, or whether it's driving a car. So I guess you could say my personality is an addictive personality to good things, and this is not necessarily a great thing financially, but it's a wonderful thing as far as an adrenaline rush, meeting great people. It's just more fun than is explainable.
I have a tendency to kind of go full bore, or as we say, full send. I'm personally always pushing myself to do better. It is a sport in which you can always find just a little bit more. You can push a little bit harder. Obviously, you're going to maybe hit an extreme or hit a brick wall or something like that. Not literally, but figuratively. But it's always so variable that it keeps it interesting to come back. You're never satisfied with your lap times.
Always trying to do better each time. Little things here, little things there.
I guess to quote the Greek moms, right? When the guys would go to battle, it's come home with your shield or on it.
Physically, it's not as demanding as it is very physically demanding, but not in the same manner as, if you will, running a marathon or something like that. And to a greater degree for me, getting in the car is it's like therapy. I get out in the car, and all of a sudden I don't worry about the next doctor's appointment or what's coming up next. I'm out there. I can compete with people that are healthy, people that are feeling better or doing better. But at the same time, at this point, I don't have to worry about it. I don't care. I'm out there. I'm having fun, and all of a sudden everything just feels good.